Good morning, children. I hope all are fit and fine at home and completing your notes properly. Now let's start exercise 7.7. We have already learned how to add or subtract two like fractions, that is, the fractions with the same denominators. Now we need to add or subtract fractions with different denominators, that is unlike fractions. So how can we add or subtract them? Well, we know how to how do we convert unlike fractions to like fractions. So in order to add or subtract them, first we will convert them to like fractions and then we will add or subtract their numerators. So how can we convert unlike fractions to like fractions? Now look at here. Convert unlike fractions to like fractions. First, we find the LCM of the denominators and then we need to make equivalent fractions with denominators is equal to LCM. Okay? So, let's start the exercise. Question number 1, add. And the fractions are A 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. Now, question number 1 A and the given fractions are 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. Okay. Now how can we solve it? Here we see that denominators are 6 and 8. So first we find the LCM of denominators, that is 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to, we find the LCM this side as we know 6, 8. The common factor is 2. Then 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now 3 1s are 3 and 4 is as it is. Now 4, 1 and 4 1s are 4. Okay. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So LCM is equal to 24. Now we have to write here. Then we need to make equivalent fractions with denominators, that is LCM. So we multiply both the numerator and denominators of both the fractions by a suitable number. So we multiply the first fraction, that is 1 upon 6. We have to get here the product, that is LCM is 24. So we can multiply 1 upon 6 by 4. The product will be 4 1s are 4 and 6 4s are 24. And second fraction 3 upon 8 multiplied, we have to get here 24. So we will multiply 3 upon 8 by a suitable number, that is 3. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. Now we see that both are like fractions and we can add it easily. We can write 1 by 6 as 4 upon 24 plus 3 upon 8 as 9 upon 24. Now these are like fractions and we can solve it. is equal to, first of all we take common denominator, that is 24, and add the numerators, that is 4 plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 upon 24. Okay, this is our required fraction. Understood? Like this, you can solve all the fractions of question number 1. Now move to question number 2. Subtract. And the fraction is A, 3 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. These are like fractions and you can solve it easily as you have done in previous exercise. Now B. The fractions are 2 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, let's solve it. Now question number 2, subtract. And the given fraction is B, 2 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Here we see that these are unlike fractions. And to solve it, first of all we have to make it like fractions. For this, we find LCM of denominators, that are 10 and 5 is equal to, we find LCM this side, as we know 10, 5. The common factor is 5. So 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5. Now we will divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 1 is as it is. Now LCM is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now we have to write LCM here 10. Then we need to make both denominators equal. So multiply both numerator and denominators of each fraction by a suitable number. So we multiply first fraction, that is 2 upon 10 into, we have to get 10 as denominator. So we will multiply this fraction by 1. Then the product will be 2 ones are 2 and 10 ones are 10. Now second fraction is 1 upon 5. We have to get this side, the denominator will be 10. So we will multiply this fraction by 2. And we get the product, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, understood? Now we see that both are like fractions. So we can write 2 upon 10 minus 1 by 5 as 2 upon 10. Then first of all we take common denominator, that is 10, and we do subtraction of numerators from larger to smaller. Both are same. So we can write 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 upon 10. And we know that when we divide or multiply 0 by any number, we get 0. So our answer will be 0. Answer. Okay, understood all of you? Like this, you can solve all the fractions of question number 2, that is subtraction. And now question number 1 of exercise 7.7, question number 1, that is add, and question number 2 is subtract of all fractions is your homework. You have to do it in your maths fair notebook. Thank you.